This is my first workout all week. It's Wednesday today, and it's because I drank alcohol on the weekend, probably for the first time this year, I think. And I've just felt like crap all week. So I'm going to be taking it easy, and I'm going to start with my shoulder warm-up. So I'm doing a few exercises here to deal with a really old slap tear that just isn't 100%. And what I mean by it's not 100% is a slap tear, your shoulder will never be 100% again. That's the way it is. You can get surgery on it, you can not get surgery on it. It'll never be exactly the same as it was before you did the injury. And so that's just something that you have to deal with. And so what I'm doing here is I'm doing an exercise to really activate my rotator cuff. So I'm pulling my shoulder right back so that I lengthen the pecs and the anterior deltoid. And then this little wiggling motion that you can see me doing, this is just wakening up that rotator cuff, reminding it to switch on and hold that humerus in the glenohumeral joint. I didn't even drink that much. I mean, considering what other people drink when they have big nights, I think I would have had about 4 or 5 drinks, and that's over a period of about 7 hours. And I just felt like shit for the last couple of days. It's just completely ruined my equilibrium. And I get people that ask me, when they find out that I don't drink and how much I work out and everything, and they say, how long does it take you to recover when you do drink? It takes me a full week. And the reason why is because it was on Saturday that I drank alcohol, and on Wednesday today is the first day that I've even felt close to being able to do a proper workout. And I'm not going to do a proper workout. I don't have the energy. I don't have the capacity for it. Not one of my full workouts anyway. I'm going to be doing barely anything really. I'm going to do this shoulder warm up, and then I'll do a few sets of dips and pull-ups, and that'll be it. But at least it's priming me to get back into it next week. So I'll do a modified workout today. I might try and do 2 workouts tomorrow, but they'll be lighter, and then I'll work back towards next week, going back to full workouts. I think it's a really, really big mistake that people make after drinking alcohol, and you think, you go into the next week thinking you're going to beat yourself up to make up for all the shit that you drank and ate on the weekend. And I think that's a really bad way to go about it. I think you should recognize that you're just not capable of performing optimally and just ease back into it. And if you're somebody that's in a cycle of doing that, if you do it every weekend and you try and beat yourself up through the week to make up for what you did on the weekend, then you want to look at what's going on up here to cause that cycle to be happening, because that's a really unhealthy cycle. Just a little warm-up set. It's all just about getting back in the groove for me today, because even with the way that I'm feeling today, it's pretty easy to just skip my workouts and just say, no, I don't feel good. Or, you know, like what I said at the start of this video, make the mistake that I used to make and that I see so many people making, which is you go in with this all or nothing mentality where you're just going to kill yourself and you're basically punishing yourself for what you did on the weekend. But I'm really just, you know, greasing the groove, just turning over the wheels.
Your child. That's why stars exist. To bring happiness is the reason. That's why little doing. Need some medication. Don't have the medication. With refreshing pools for an easier sensation. Keep it crystal clear all year round.
Thanks for watching, guys. So it wasn't a hard workout. That's the idea. It was just to get me back in the groove so tomorrow I can do a little bit more, and then get back on it next week. And you can bet your biscuits that I ain't going to be drinking alcohol for a while, because I just hate what it does to me.